Welcome to this tutorial on how to remove your tags from multiple comments on Facebook using your PC. In this video, we'll walk you through a simple, step-by-step process to help you manage your online presence more effectively. First, let's start by opening Facebook on your web browser. Once you're logged in, click on your profile photo located at the top right corner of the screen. This will open a drop-down menu where you can access various settings and features. Next, navigate to Settings and Privacy, and then select Activity Log. This section allows you to view and manage all your activities across Facebook, including posts and comments you're tagged in. Under your Facebook activity, click on Activity you're tagged in. This will take you to a list of all the posts and comments where you've been mentioned or tagged. Now, click on Posts and Comments you're tagged in. Here, you'll see a comprehensive list of all the comments where your name appears. This is where you can start managing those unwanted tags. To remove tags from multiple comments, simply check the boxes next to each comment you wish to untag. You can select as many as you like, making it easy to clean up your profile in just a few clicks. Once you've selected all the comments, click on Remove Tags. You'll be prompted to confirm this action, so just click Remove Tags again to finalize the process. By following these steps, you can quickly and easily remove your tags from multiple comments on Facebook. This not only helps keep your profile organized, but also ensures that you're not associated with content you don't want to be linked to. Managing your online presence is crucial, and Facebook provides these tools to help you do just that. Whether you're looking to declutter your profile or simply maintain a more professional image, removing unwanted tags is a straightforward process. Thanks for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been helpful in guiding you through the process. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on managing your social media profiles effectively.